So si Joyce, ihahatid ko lang muna dito sa urgent care for check-up. Ayan, it's 7:20 ng umaga and madami ng tao. Nakapila oh. Siguro pang 7 na siya. And to think, alas 8 pa magbubukas yung mismo clinic. Kasi in the past few days, naatake na naman siya ng migraine. And sumasakit nga yung left part na rin ng ear niya because of the pressure daw. Kahapon sinabihan ko nga siya na mag-off na sa trabaho para makapagpahinga. Nag half day naman siya pero sabi niya masakit pa rin daw yung ulo niya. So mabuti nang ipa-check up. Ako nga, hindi pa fully recovered up to this point eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari ngayon. People are just getting sick. Ang hirap makarecover. Isipin mo yung ubo ko halos maglalampas 1 buwan na. Each time, continuously tayo nagsasalita, lalo na pag nasa trabaho. Talagang non-stop yung ubo. Hindi mo mapigilan. Sabi ko nga may appointment na naman tayo ulit sa Monday para lang ma-address yung issue kasi sabi ng doktor if hindi nga nag-work yung steroids, bibigyan niya ako ng another set of medication. Later on, hopefully matapos si Joyce ng maaga-aga. Today, we will be opening a dedicated bank account for Calvin. So another milestone na naman ito. Dito nga pala sa Canada, and correct me if I'm wrong, no? Yung pag-open ng credit card dito sa Canada, I believe allowed lang yan when you reach 19 years old of age. That's what I kind of like heard, which I will revalidate mamaya sa bangko pagpunta natin. Kasi nga, ang goal natin is as early as now, maka-build na si Calvin ng kanyang credit line. Calvin also applied for another work doon sa unang in-applyan niya, old spaghetti house. Hindi na tumawag eh, hindi ko alam bakit, pero siguro ganoon lang talaga kahirap maghanap ng trabaho ngayon. Pero because meron kaming kakilala who actually yung anak niya si Melissa, yung kaibigan namin, yung anak niya nagtrabaho doon sa Crocs na store. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, 'di ba, the faster or the more connections that you have, the faster that you can get jobs here sa Canada. Lalo na kung halimbawa you're just starting kapareho ni Calvin. So ni-refer siya directly. Si Kyle was a previous employee of Crocs, pero he still has connections, and so in-endorse yung resume ni Calvin doon sa store. He got an interview, and then I think it was yesterday or the other day na in-ask na yung availability niya. Sabi nung parang pinaka-manager, store manager doon sa email, parang welcome to the team. So I would assume that he got accepted, although wala pang actual job offer letter, no? Sa akin dati sa Best Buy, binibigay yung 1-pager na letter letting you know na ito yung pasahod sa'yo, ito yung makukuha mo, ano yung benefits na entitled ka. So yun yung inaantay namin ngayon. He was asked na mag-apply online after doing the actual interview and having that exchange via email. So titingnan natin, this will be the first opportunity para kay Calvin to have a job, and the first ever, if in case niya, paycheck na may experience na parang wow, this is actually how you earn money. Mainam din kasi na malaman nung mga bata na parang how hard it is to, earn money instead of just like, getting it through their allowance. May bearing. At medyo malaki-laking bearing yung ma-experience mo talaga in real time na wow, nakabili ka sa araw, nagbubuhat ka, nakatayo ka ng medyo matagal. Although this is only part-time, I think the shift is, 5 hours, I believe. So, we will see. I'll keep you guys posted as to kung ano ba yung developments at saka kung ano ba yung mga learnings din ni Calvin in this process at saka siguro yung mga first few days niya sa trabaho. Nandito na tayo ulit sa Superstore. It took mga siguro 40 minutes. And then, natapos na rin si Joyce sa kanyang check-up. So, susunduin na natin siya ngayon. Alamin natin kung ano sabi ba ng doktor. Nasa exam room pa daw siya. Andito na ako. Antayin na lang natin. Balik na naman tayo sa tindahan.
Sige, go to the ulam na lang.
Tain daw tayo ng ulam. Good afternoon. Nandito tayo ulit sa Cambie Street. Kanina nga pala nag-bike kami ni Turns. Shoutout sa'yo, Turns. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Ito na si Joyce. Why? Nandito kami sa Rain or Shine.
Walang pila, it's already seen.
Oo.
You can choose now.
Alright. Yes. One flavor is $7, two flavors is $7.50.
Yeah, but this one.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Have a good one.
Thanks. Ooh. Wanna try my chocolate? Try natin to. What flavor is that?
Said I was on the get one scoop. I don't know, I haven't got it. You just have that.
Ano yung in-order ni Cal?
What did you get? A milkshake.
A milkshake?
Chocolate crunch? This is chocolate crunch.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.